Hi, everybody. Do you ever brush your teeth? I'm sure you do. It's a very important thing to do to keep our teeth clean and healthy. All the food that we eat and the things that we drink affect our teeth. And we are doing an experiment today to see what happens if we don't brush our teeth. We have 4 different cups. Each cup has a hard-boiled egg inside. And a hard-boiled egg is a lot like our teeth. They're white, and if they're healthy, they're hard too. So we have some different liquids here. This one is just regular water that you have in the tap that we drink. This one is filled with a sugary drink. There's lots of sugary syrup in there. This one is filled with vinegar. Whew, it smells really vinegary. And this one is water with some red food coloring inside. So let's see what happened to these eggs while they were sitting in these different liquids. Okay, let's see what happened to the hard-boiled egg inside the regular water. What do you see? I see a white egg. It looks like just a regular egg, doesn't it? It's nice and white, looks very clean, and still has a hard shell. This is a pretty healthy egg sitting inside the water. That would be a healthy tooth. Let's see what happened to the egg in the sugary drink. Uh-oh. What do you see? This egg is not white. This egg is all brown. And it feels like it has little bumps on it. Must be all the sugar. Let's see how the shell is. Uh-oh. The shell cracked. It cracks really easily. It's not as hard as the shell that was inside the water. We don't want our teeth to become brown and easy to crack like that. That wouldn't be good. Let's see how the egg is inside of the vinegar. Oh, wow. This egg is all slippery. Its shell is completely gone, and it's squishy. You can squish this egg. We don't want our teeth to become soft and squishy, then they wouldn't be very good to chew with. Uh-oh, that's not a very healthy tooth. Let's see the egg inside the red food coloring. What do you see here? This egg turned red, didn't it? It looks a little pink from being inside the red food coloring. So that's why it's so important to brush our teeth so our teeth stay nice and white. Do you think if we brushed this egg the way we brush our teeth, it would turn white again? Let's find out. Let's get all the things we need to brush our egg the way we would brush our teeth. We need toothbrush, toothpaste, and some water. This bowl of water will be like our sink that we have in our bathroom. Okay, let's get started with brushing our egg. We'll wet our toothbrush a little bit and get some toothpaste. What do you think will happen? Do you think the egg will become white again? Let's try. Let's brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush up and down. Let's brush side to side the way we brush our teeth. Let's brush round and round. Brush, brush, brush. All right, Let's rinse the egg and see what happened. Rinse, rinse, rinse. We'll dry it off. Let's take a look. Wow. Look at that. Where we brushed the egg with toothpaste in our toothbrush, it became more white. Brushing our teeth is so important to keep them white and clean and healthy. We don't want our teeth to turn different colors or get soft like those eggs. So remember every day to brush your teeth. See you next time. Woo!